Hello, my name is Dr. Patrick Murray. I am an orthopedic surgeon specializing in hip and knee replacement surgery. My practice name is Roper St. Francis Physician Partners Orthopedics. I specialize in hip and knee replacement surgery. For our hip replacements, we use an anterior minimally invasive approach, which allows patients to recover from the surgery much more quickly. I also specialize in revision hip and knee replacement surgery. I chose to work for Roper St. Francis Healthcare because they have a long history of providing excellent service to the community. I think it's our narrow focus of specialty that allows us to provide excellent surgery and excellent patient outcomes. I enjoy spending time with my family. We like to go to the beach or go boating occasionally. I also like playing music. I play guitar and piano. I recently formed a musical group with some of my other orthopedic colleagues. We like to get together and play music and occasionally play shows around town. I think it's important to listen to each patient and treat them individually. Ultimately, I want the same outcome for everybody, and that is to have a pain-free joint. But I think every patient gets to that end differently, so it's important to consider each patient's needs and expectations. The most rewarding part of my job is watching a patient go from in a wheelchair and in pain and unable to walk, have a successful joint replacement, and come in to see me months later, walking, unassisted, feeling good. And to me, that's one of the most satisfying parts of my job.